Stone has been operating in Australia now for approximately 10 years. We sell a wide range of lightweight stone cladding products. We've got a very extensive reseller network right up the east coast of Australia and Perth, which consists of over 40 outlets. So it's actually a product that's very easily purchased, found and displayed around Australia. Essentially our products are lightweight concrete and they're used to decorate interior or exterior walls. Now I'm going to talk about Craftstone's range of colours and profiles. We've got a very extensive range of colours and profiles that are fairly natural to Australia. One of our leading products we sell is the Vintage Ledgestone. It consists of 100mm high panels. They come in a range of 200, 300 and 500mm lengths, and they stack easily on top of each other, so they're very straightforward for DIY or cost-effective installation by a contractor. The next product I'm going to talk about is Mountain Ledgestone. It's effectively made up of individual pieces of stone, which you can see here. It's then fitted with a mortar mix individually, which gives it a unique dry stone look. The Mountain Ledgestone is available in 4 different colours, and it's probably one of the most realistic looking stones that we sell. The next type of stone I'm going to show you is the Craftstone Quarry Stone. It's available in 4 different colours. It essentially replicates the look of a boulder that you'd find out in a paddock. It can be put together either with a mortar joint or even a tight fitted joint, which will make it look like a dry stone wall. Again, it's a very effective looking profile that we sell, and the colours are sympathetic to the Australian environment. The stone we have here to show you is the Craftstone European Castle Stone in the golden sand colour. It's actually a modular type stone which comes in increments of 1 inch. So as you can see, they're tightly fitted together. Each one of these is an individual piece of stone. They interlock and are a very straightforward product to fit together. They're basically very straightforward for a DIY and will give you good cost savings from an installer if they're fitting it for you. It's available in this sandstone colour, and when used on a larger scale it's a very effective product to create a sandstone house. All the Craftstone range of products actually come with pre-formed corner pieces which wrap around an external 90-degree corner. The idea of the corner piece is to give the illusion of a full solid piece of stone. They are available in every range and every colour within the Craftstone range. The product we have here is Craftstone Stacked Ledgestone. It's an individually pieced stone again. There's no set size or set pattern to this stone. It actually fits very randomly in the way that it goes together. So it can either be tight fitted to look like a dry stone wall, or a typical installation would be using a 12mm mortar joint. It is an effective looking stone, and it's probably one of the most popular that we sell within the Craftstone range. Here we've got Craftstone's Quarry Stone Merlot, and it's a little bit special, this wall, because it's been blended together with 2 types of colours. So the Merlot makes up about 90% of the stone that's on this wall, and then we've got about 10% Matador, which is these particular colours here, which are the dark greys. One of the advantages of using Craftstone is you can actually blend these colours of stone together. So if you want to get a unique colour or style on your wall, you can easily do that by making a blend. This wall has also been fitted using a tight stack or a dry stone wall type method, which basically means the stone's been fitted together really tightly, so there's only a 1 or 2mm gap in between them. The idea of it is that you don't see any mortar and it looks like a dry stone wall. In actual fact, this wall is only about 25-30mm thick. That's the thickness of the stone, so it is very, very small, and it's just on a timber frame that's sitting behind there clad in cement sheet. It's a very effective looking wall, and with downlights running down it, it casts a shadow over your joints and gives a really beautiful look to your wall. What I'm showing you here is our fireplace, which has been built in the Craftstone Melbourne showroom. It's actually been clad with the Mountain Ledgestone Cabernet, which is a mixture of earthy colours. So you've got browns, a big range of browns and reds that run right through the stone. So it does look very natural on the wall. This particular fireplace has been built with a timber frame, so it's just a stud frame with fibre cement sheet clad over the top of it. We've then attached expanded metal mesh over the top of that fibre cement sheet. And then the stone's been fitted with a mortar mix. So this particular stone's fitted piece by piece, and you use a mortar mix which has been screeded over the expanded metal, and then each piece of stone is bedded into that. This was quite a low cost method of constructing. It took our carpenters about half a day to frame up and sheet the wall, and it took our installation contractors about a day to fit the stonework to the fireplace. Makes the cost of it somewhere around the $2,000 mark if you exclude the actual firebox itself. This particular fire unit is an electric one, so we didn't need any flues or anything like that. We just needed a power point to run it, and it actually effectively heats this whole showroom here throughout the winter and is quite efficient. For more information on our Craftstone range of products, or to find